The livingrimoire database class is called Apps Dictionary DB. It is a superclass with two simple methods. 1. A save method, which saves a key and a corresponding value, both strings. 2. A load method, which returns the value corresponding with the key. If the key does not exist in the database, the string null is returned instead. To equip the livingrimoire with a database, first implement the database in a subclass of the Apps Dictionary DB class. Next, use one code line incantation, chobit.setDatabase, livingrimoire PandaDB. In this example, the subclass was named livingrimoire PandaDB. The name does not matter. What matters is that it is a subclass of the Apps Dictionary DB. That's it, the livingrimoire is now equipped with a database. This means inside a skills input method it is now possible to save and load data. To access the database within a skill, use the livingrimoire memento attribute, which grants access to the save and load methods, as exampled in the Desire skill. In this example, a TXT-based database was used, but any database is usable, even spreadsheets or SQL.
Why, I guess you all are gonna come tonight. Come here. Fine, I guess you all are gonna Fine, I guess you all are gonna come tonight. Come here. Fine, I guess you all are gonna come tonight. Come here. Hello. Hello. Hello.